I don't look too much ahead of time. It's not only for me to say that I'm somebody who lives in the present. I seriously live in the present. Of course, you have to keep an eye on the future.
Dhoni finishes off in style.
No, but don't you think it's unfair that you play a team sport where the captain goes and receives the trophy? So that itself is it's like an overexposure. So you already have an overexposure of, let's say, 15 seconds. After that, I don't think you're really needed to be there. Of course, we all love the celebration and you want to be part of it, but it's not like you have to be with the trophy. So that's why I say, in a team environment, we try to make it as simple as possible. And as I said, 15 minutes of overexposure has already happened, so no point clinging on to the trophy. And maybe if you don't spend enough time with the trophy, you get a chance or you want to win another one so that you get those another 15 seconds with you. But I feel it was the overexposure part where it's a whole team that has done well. It's not up to one individual, and once you receive it, you let others in. The pressure is always there, and I feel that's what gets the best out of players, and that's how you improve yourself. Everybody's role and responsibility were very clear. So you need to address something if it really needs to be addressed. No point just because I'm the captain of the team or there's a coach of the team, you have to say something. We try to keep it as simple as possible. What is very important as a coaching staff or as the captain, you need to give advices to player according to what they can achieve. All of a sudden you can't tell somebody, okay, you need to bowl outside of Yorkers, and that guy has never done that. So you have to tell him according to what his strength is, and he needs to improve the weak areas that he has, so that in future he may be able to bowl that. We try to spend time in an environment where he feels very comfortable. You need to break that ice. Unless he gives me a feedback, unless he talks to me, I won't get to know what really is going around, in his mind. Because a lot of times what we have seen is you tell somebody, okay, you need to do this, he will say yes, he will go off, he will never come back again. But for me to understand the individual, I need to spend time with him. And the more time I spend, the easier it becomes for me. Unless you know the individual, I feel it's very difficult to give him an appropriate advice as to what he needs to do. And also the fact that, you get to get inside his mind. Everybody is different. You need to address every individual in a different way. No, you can't keep doing the same thing expecting different result. Let's try and be honest to ourselves. That would be a great start. And let's only give advice once we start doing the same thing in our life. We have too many directors in India. We need some very good actors, where you need to act and you need to start doing the right thing. We always want others to do it, but when it comes to ourselves, we shy away from it. So if I have to simply say what needs to be done, we have to be honest to ourselves, and we need to act. So let's try to bring in the good changes, not with our opinions, but more with our actions.